Good afternoon. We are going to explain fungi. My team is composed by Ángel Nava, Leon Rivera, Luis Rodriguez, Jimena Arellano, René Alfaro, and Mario Satarain. Introduction to fungi.
What is fungi? The kingdom fungi includes a tremendous variety of organisms that are neither plant nor animal. These unique multicellular eukaryotes include edible examples like mushrooms and organisms such as yeast, and their impact on our world as decomposer is absolutely crucial to every ecosystem. Characteristics. Members of the kingdom fungi are eukaryotes, meaning they have complex cells with a nucleus and organelles. All fungi are heterotrophic, meaning that they cannot make their own food like plants. Decomposers fungi are the best recyclers around.
Structure. The fungi possesses a cell wall which is made up of chitin and polysaccharides. Almost all the fungi have a filamentous structure except the yeast cells. The cell wall comprises protoplast, which is differentiated into other cell parts such as the cell membrane, the cytoplasm, the cell organelles, and the nuclei. They can be either single-celled or multicellular organisms. The nucleus is dense, clear, and with chromatin threads. The nucleus is surrounded by a nuclear membrane.
The three visions of fungi. Mizutai.
Gymnomycota includes photographic organisms devoid of cell walls. Divisions divide into two subdivisions. The first subdivision is Acrasiogymnomycotina. The first class is Acrasiomycetes. The orders are Acrasials, Dictotelials, and Prototelials. The second subdivision is Plasmodiogymnocotina. The first class is Prospoteliomycetes. The second class is Mycomycetes, and these are the subclasses. And the orders are Ceratiomycetes, Lycaeles, Trichales, Pisaracales, and Stemonitales.
Mastigomycota includes fungi with absorptive nutrition, unicellular or filamentous mycelium coemycetic, comprises into two subdivisions. The first subdivision is Hapomastogomycotina, and the first class is Chytridomycetes, and their orders are Chytridales, Vastocladales, Plasmodiphorales, Saproligenous, and Pranopras, and the class number 2 and 3 are Hypochytridomycetes and Plasmodiphoromycetes. And in the subdivision number 2, there is Dipolomastigomacotina, and the only class is Omocytes, and their orders are Laginidales, Saprologinales, Leptomethyles, and Pranopusrales.
Mastigomycota. This fungi has an absorptive nutrition. It has a lack of motile cells, mycelium abstate or septate, and it has two subdivisions. The first subdivision is Zygomycotina, that has two classes that are Zygomycetes, that includes 6 orders, and Trichomycetes, that include 5 orders. The subdivision number 2 is Ascomycotina, that has 1 classes, that is Ascomycetes, and the subclasses that is Hemiascomycetidae, that has 3 orders, Plectomycetidae, that has 5 orders, Hymenoascomycetidae, that has 10 orders, Lavulvoneomycetate that has 2 orders, and Loloascomycete that has 5 orders. The subdivision number 3 is Basidiomycotina that has 1 class, that is Basidiomycetes, and has 3 subclasses that are Olobasidiomycetide, Fragobamovasiodiomycetide, and Telomycetide. And the subdivision number 4 is the Deuteromycotina. This one is an imperfect fungi, and it has 1 class. It's Deuteromycetes, and it has 2 orders. Phytopisidals and monolaels.
Another point of view. In this link up below, we can see another point of view of the divisions and other subdivisions of this topic. Here we have it. This diagram shows our divisions, subdivisions, classes of classes, and orders in a more extensive way. And this is our bibliography. Thank you.